In this video, we show how to replace the left control panel in a PowerEdge R670. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the left control panel with riser 2 removed, disconnect the data cable from the ATIC card and then unroute the cable. Pull the cable out from underneath the clip and then remove the 3 screws holding it in place. With the screw removed, slide it out of the side of the system and away. To install the left control panel, align it with the system. Then replace the 3 screws. Then reroute the cable, first sliding it under the clip. And route the cable. And then reconnect the data cable. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R670, visit dell.com/support.